Alright, YouTube, checking back in with the ChevySS project. Another day, we back at it again. Make sure you guys are hitting that notification bell so you get all the updates on the ChevySS and everything that I'm doing with the LS3 engine I'm dropping in. Alright, so today my main focus is the transcooler lines, my AC lines that are routing there. So I'm going to just work on tightening up the little small things that I'm not going to want to get back on the ground for. Finish out my wiring harness. I kind of got everything already slightly ran. Get my starter installed and my drive shaft secured. I've been just getting a little too ahead of myself, so I've been having to backtrack a little bit. Shit's frustrating, but gotta be done. Got me out here bleeding a little bit, you know, but had to put my blood, sweat, and tears in this, you know. All right, making a little progress. I went ahead and routed my transcooler lines. They actually go on the outside of the engine mounts. So I had to lift the engine up, get them on the outside, drop it back down in its place. Kind of wrapping everything up. I got all my O2 sensors and stuff plugged in. I got a little Loctite for my drive shaft bolts. They're going in next. They get like 85 foot-pounds, kind of heavy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and torque my intake back down and get my coil packs going back on. I went ahead and got my alternator together down there too. So I'll put my belt on after this. All right, that's it for this episode. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more on the ChevySS. And drop me a dime. Let me know what you think about the new black rims. Definitely got to get the calipers after this.